In this video, I will show you how to add or change currency in Google Sheets. If you want it for the whole column, you need to select your column, then go to Format, Number, and here you will have all the suggestions. For example, I want to go for dollars, and here you will have everything in dollar. Even for the empty cells, if I write anything, I will have it. And if you want to change it or customize it, you go again to Format, Number, and here Customize Currency, and you will customize it, and you will have a lot of currencies, for example euros, and it would be changed to euros. Also, I can delete the zeros or add more zeros. Let's keep it like that. And for example, if I want to only have different currencies, for example, this one it's Australia. For this one, since we have a lot, I like to do it like that. For example, for the USA, you go to USA, select all of them, then format, number, currency dollars. Then what we have, Australia, let's customize it. Go to format, customize currency, and here let's write Australian dollar, and you can change it. For example, here I want it to be like that, because we also have the American dollars. Like that, as you see, we now have a lot of currencies in the same column and with the same formatting. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, subscribe to the channel.